Hi guys, today I have a delicious summery salad recipe for you for a lemony potato salad with asparagus. This salad is perfect to take with you for grill parties or to enjoy as a light lunch or dinner. Let's get started with the recipe. For this salad, you will need potatoes. I decided to use red potatoes. Then you also need fresh spinach, one red onion, or you can also use half of a red onion if you don't want to use a whole one, then one organic lemon, some green asparagus, fresh dill, radishes. For the dressing, you will need some olive oil, some natural flavored yogurt, mustard, and some brown sugar. I'm gonna start by boiling the potatoes in salted water, and once they're boiled, I'm just gonna remove the potatoes from the water to boil the asparagus in the same salted water. Then you want to allow the asparagus and the potato to cool completely before you make the salad. Once the potatoes have cooled, you want to chop them into bite-sized pieces. Then I'm adding the potatoes into a big salad bowl and also chopping the asparagus into similar sized pieces as the potatoes. Then I'm also going to finely slice the onion. If you prefer smaller onion pieces, you can also dice the onion. Then I'm also finely slicing the radishes. Then I'm going to add the spinach to my salad, and I've not chopped the spinach, I've only washed it really well. And I'm also going to add the radishes and the onion at this point. Then if you want, you can give it all a short mix. Now I'm also going to chop the dill, so I'm first going to remove the hard ends, so I only want to use the green part, and after that just finely chopping the dill. Now I'm also adding the chopped dill to my salad along with the zest of one organic lemon. And here you want to turn the lemon while you grate it so that you only get the yellow part of the zest, as the white part can be very bitter. After zesting the lemon, you want to roll it on the table like this before you juice it. This helps to release the juices. Then you want to halve the lemon and juice half of the lemon. We will only need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then in a small bowl, mix the olive oil with the brown sugar, the natural yogurt, mustard, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Season with some salt and pepper to taste and give it all a good mix. Now that the dressing is also ready, I'm going to add the dressing to my salad and mix well to coat all the ingredients with the delicious dressing. The salad is best served right away, but you can also make it a couple of hours in advance. As I mentioned, this salad is perfect for the summer. You can take it to the grill parties or enjoy it as a light lunch or dinner. I hope you enjoyed my lemony asparagus salad recipe, and I hope my video inspired you to try it out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye until next time.